Gentlemen over 50, do you ever find yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., wishing desperately for deep, restorative sleep, only to wake up feeling more drained than when you went to bed? Have you noticed that vital spark, that unwavering energy, or perhaps your confidence in intimate moments just isn't what it used to be? That persistent fatigue, the frustration of a sharp mind trapped in a lagging body, or the quiet anxiety about performance can be a heavy burden. It's that subtle erosion of your inner strength, that sense of losing your edge, feeling less vibrant, less completely you. You're not alone in experiencing these profound shifts. What if I told you there's a simple, scientifically backed solution to reclaim your vigor, enhance potency, and achieve the deepest sleep you've had in years? Not a complex regimen, expensive prescription, or invasive procedure, but one powerful, often overlooked vitamin you can take nightly. I'm Dr. Vanessa Green, and with 25 years dedicated to men's health and wellness, I've had the privilege of guiding countless gentlemen just like you through these very challenges. I understand the frustration, the quiet concerns, and often the silent shame that can accompany these changes. You might feel isolated, or even believe it's just part of getting older. But let me assure you, there is nothing wrong with seeking answers, and you are absolutely not alone in wanting to feel your absolute best. Through my work, I've come to see that thriving in your golden years is about maintaining your dignity, boosting your confidence, strengthening your connections, and truly elevating your quality of life. And today, I want to share a profound yet simple secret that can help you achieve exactly that. Hello, I'm Dr. Vanessa Green. With over 25 years in functional medicine, specializing exclusively in men's health, I've had the immense privilege of working with thousands of gentlemen just like you, men who are navigating the unique physical and emotional shifts that come with age. I know that topics surrounding potency, vigor, and even the elusive deep sleep can feel incredibly private, sometimes even laden with a sense of unease or embarrassment. Perhaps you've felt that creeping frustration when your body doesn't quite respond the way it used to, or a quiet bewilderment wondering if these changes are simply the new normal. You might even feel isolated, hesitating to bring these concerns up with friends, family, or even your doctor. Let me assure you, gentlemen, you are absolutely not alone in these experiences. These concerns are remarkably common among men, especially as we gracefully step into our 50s and beyond. And there is nothing, absolutely nothing, to be ashamed of for seeking answers, for wanting to understand your body better, and for desiring to reclaim your confidence and vitality. In my practice, I've seen firsthand the profound impact these issues can have, not just physically, but on your overall sense of self-worth, your intimate connections, and your pure joy for life. My unwavering mission has always been to cut through the noise, the myths, and the often conflicting advice to bring you clear, actionable, and truly science-backed solutions. Consider this a safe, judgment-free space. We're on this journey together. Gentlemen, let's confront a pervasive myth that declining potency, dwindling vigor, and restless nights are just an inevitable, untreatable part of aging. Many believe it's time to accept it, or that only expensive drugs or complex procedures offer hope. But what if the true root cause isn't your age, but a correctable imbalance, frequently overlooked? Imagine your body isn't a decaying car, but a high-performance engine running on low-quality fuel or missing a vital component. For men, especially over 50, crucial physiological processes like hormone production, cellular repair, and nitric oxide synthesis, essential for blood flow and potency, are profoundly linked to one often neglected factor: deep, restorative sleep. When sleep quality plummets, it's a cascade. Testosterone dips, inflammation rises, and your body struggles to repair. That, running on fumes, feeling, the lack of spark, it's your body crying out. My research and countless patient experiences show how a specific, undervalued vitamin, taken at night, acts like that missing component. It recalibrates your internal clock, supports critical biological functions, and significantly improves sleep quality. This has profound ripple effects on your potency, vigor, and overall quality of life. I recall Michael, 62, who felt his glory days were over. By addressing his sleep and introducing this targeted nutritional support, he experienced a remarkable transformation in energy, mood, and vitality. It wasn't magic, it was science. simply applied. Gentlemen, if you've been navigating the silent battles of declining vigor, restless nights, or a dip in self-assurance, know this: you are absolutely not alone. For decades, men like you have been subtly led to believe that these shifts, a lack of drive, an unpredictable sleep cycle, or a diminishing spark in intimate moments, are an inevitable, irreversible part of aging. You might have even pursued various quick fixes, from dubious supplements and unproven remedies to complex, costly procedures, only to be met with frustration, discouragement, or fleeting results. But what if I told you that the key to genuinely reclaiming your potency, invigorating your days, and enjoying truly restorative, deep sleep isn't some complicated regimen, but rather a simple, science-backed approach focusing on one crucial element, taken nightly? We're not peddling fads or folklore here. We're delving into the profound science behind how your body, even past 50, inherently craves specific foundational support to optimize hormonal balance, fortify neurological pathways, and enhance cellular repair processes, all while you're peacefully asleep. Imagine waking up feeling authentically refreshed, ready to tackle your day with newfound energy, unwavering conviction, and that undeniable zest for life. This transformation isn't just about physical changes. It's about reigniting that deep sense of self-assurance, strengthening your most intimate connections, and ultimately embracing a future filled with vibrant possibility. Remember, deep sleep, potency, and vigor aren't separate islands you conquer individually. They are interconnected pillars of your overall well-being, waiting for you to harmonize them. Gentlemen, we've talked about the quiet frustrations, the missed moments, and the myths that often surround men's health as we age. Now let's talk about the solution that can truly transform your nights and days. No complex prescriptions, no invasive procedures, no endless trips to the pharmacy. Just one simple, yet incredibly powerful micronutrient that's often overlooked, especially in men over 50: magnesium. Think of your body as a high-performance engine. Magnesium is like the crucial oil that ensures every single part runs smoothly. From nerve transmission and muscle contraction, vital for your potency and vigor, to regulating sleep hormones. Biologically, it's involved in over 300 enzymatic reactions, directly impacting energy production and cellular repair. For sleep, it helps activate the parasympathetic nervous system, the Puleza, rest and digest system, calming your mind and relaxing your muscles. This isn't just about falling asleep. It's about achieving that deep, restorative sleep where your body genuinely repairs itself. The emotional impact of this nightly reset? Imagine waking up truly refreshed, feeling a renewed sense of energy and mental clarity. That translates into more patience, sharper focus, and an undeniable lift in your confidence throughout the day. When your body is optimized, your mind follows, and your relationships, yes, even intimacy, naturally flourish. It's about reclaiming your sense of self-worth and connection, not just physically, but emotionally. Practically, integrating this isn't a chore. It's a simple evening ritual. We'll delve into the best forms and precise dosages shortly, but for now, understand this. You're not just taking a supplement, you're investing in your dignity, your vitality, and your quality of life. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, Dr. Green, is this another one of those quick fixes or fads? And that's a completely fair question, especially with so much conflicting information out there. But what I'm presenting today isn't based on guesswork or marketing hype. This isn't about me just telling you what I think. It's grounded in robust, medically backed research and clinical studies, examining how specific nutrients interact with your body's natural rhythms, hormone production, and cellular regeneration, the very foundations of masculine vitality and restorative sleep. My 25 years in medicine have taught me that true health solutions extend far beyond mere biology. They touch upon your dignity, your self-confidence, your emotional well-being, and the depth of your most cherished relationships. I understand that discussing personal potency and vigor can feel deeply private, even vulnerable, and my commitment is always to create a safe, judgment-free space for these vital conversations. There's absolutely nothing to be embarrassed about when seeking to improve your health. The true elegance of this single nighttime vitamin lies in its profound practicality and accessibility. We're not talking about complex regimens, invasive procedures, or pharmaceuticals with a laundry list of side effects. This is about providing your body with a natural, targeted tool to support its own innate capacity for healing and rejuvenation. It's a simple, easy-to-integrate step that empowers you to reclaim your vitality, mental clarity, and that deep, refreshing sleep you deserve, effortlessly fitting into your life without demanding a complete overhaul. Gentlemen, you've learned about the profound impact just one specific, scientifically backed vitamin, taken nightly, can have on restoring your potency, boosting your vigor, and deepening your sleep, without complex routines, invasive procedures, or expensive temporary fixes. This isn't just about a supplement. It's about reclaiming your vitality, your self-confidence, and your overall sense of well-being. Now it's your turn to take action and transform your nights. I encourage you to discuss this simple yet powerful approach with your healthcare provider and consider integrating it into your routine, starting as soon as tonight. Imagine experiencing firsthand the difference a truly restful night and optimized biology can make in your daily energy levels, your self-assurance, and the quality of your intimate connections. What specific steps will you commit to taking today to embrace this simple yet profound change? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Your input not only helps me understand your needs better, but also fosters a supportive community for other men on similar journeys. If you found this information invaluable and empowering, please take a moment to give this video a like, subscribe to Dr. Vanessa Green's channel for more medically backed, empathetic health insights, and critically, share it with other men in your life, friends, brothers, fathers, who also deserve to live with renewed power and dignity. Remember, true well-being, deep sleep, renewed vigor, and confident potency is absolutely within your reach. You deserve to feel strong, connected, and fully rested. Take control of your health, because a vibrant future filled with confidence, deeper relationships, and an improved quality of life is patiently waiting for you. This simple, nightly step can truly be your secret to unlocking a life lived to its fullest potential.